Hello everyone, in this video I would like to share the work that we finished in the Kia Optima 2015, and this now is full 9-inch premium setup, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, full connection to the steering wheel control, dual USB setup, and full HD anti-glare super night vision reverse camera that fit in the same factory location, and it looks exactly from the same location here using the factory slot. And yeah, it looks very factory, except that now it is a totally new camera inside, fully custom built, and make it look so beautiful there. You cannot tell it is not factory camera now at this moment. If you pull the reverse, you actually see the camera is super detailed. You can count every single piece, little piece on the ground. Okay, you can see far and wide and super clear and detailed from here, and it works instantly when you move the gear stick and you turn system, and you touch screen and wireless Android Auto here on the screen, but it runs wireless Apple CarPlay efficiently as well. See, reverse camera is so much better. Full HD, shockproof, waterproof, anti-glare, and super night vision reverse camera. So all good, all done, and we're waiting for the owner coming to pick up. It's all set, and 9-inch full setup Kia Optima 2015. Thank you, and we'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to click subscribe, we appreciate, and we'll see you on more video like this. Thank you, bye bye.